its ceremony where Society magazine gave away awards to achievers from various fields. They were the people who battled all odds to emerge winners and have made a name for themselves. The event, organized by Society magazine from Magna Publications Group, saw many entertainment celebrities and prominent personalities who attended the event. Mr. Nari Hira, CMD, Magna Publications Company Limited, industrialist Gautam Singhania, Subhash Ghai, Asutosh Gowarikar, Sonu Sood, Suraj Pancholi, Zarina Wahab, Arjun Bajwa, Simon Singh, Preeti Kulhari, Madhur Bhandarkar, Krishika Lulla, designer Pallavi Jayakishan, artist Atul Dodia, Pooja Bedi, Shibani Kashyap, Sambhavna Seth, Deepshika Nagpal, Mariam Zakaria, Meera Chopra, Marina Kumar, designer Amy Bilimoria, Flora Saini and many more.
I think हमारे जो प्राइम मिनिस्टर हैं मिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी, उन्होंने काफ़ी कुछ ऐसा बता दिया है हम लोगों को कि लीडरशिप की क्वालिटीज़ क्या होती हैं, लीडरशिप में ऐसे कौन लीडर जो हमारे देश का होना चाहिए या लीडर कौन होना चाहिए, उसमें क्या क्या क्वालिटीज़ होनी चाहिए। हमारे पीएम नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने सब कुछ हमें बता दिया है, इससे ज़्यादा हमें कुछ बताने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। एंड इतना अच्छा लगता है कि द सोसाइटी इज़ चेंजिंग, हमारा देश चेंज हो रहा है एंड इट इज़ चेंजिंग फॉर गुड, फॉर बेटरमेंट एंड बहुत खुशी है दैट वी हैव आवर प्राइम मिनिस्टर विद अस नाउ।
बहुत अच्छा अवार्ड और मुझे लगता है मैं हर साल आता हूँ, एप्लीकेशन इतने सालों से ये अवार्ड करते जा रही है और इस बात की खुशी है मुझे कि अलग अलग क्षेत्र से अलग अलग फील्ड से लोगों को अवार्ड मिल रहा है। इट्स अ ग्रेट ऑनर टू बी ओवर हियर एंड आई अप्रिशिएट मेघना पब्लिकेशन, नारी हीरा जी, to give all the dues to all the people who has been excellent in their fields.
It's a very good platform for the newer people to show their art and from various fields. Like we all know from the interiors, the music and all. I don't think so anybody would have recognized. It's just a platform for you to get more better in life, and it helps you, motivates you, these awards, to get to prove yourself.
I would like to congratulate everyone who got the award, and even the people who have not received it, they are already star because it takes a lot to reach here. And I'm very glad that society is recognizing all this talent and leadership quality from the people. So good luck to all of you.
I think confidence, honesty, and I think these two are very important. Education is very important because I really believe that a leader who's being followed by so many people, who's an inspiration of so many people, should be educated, should be honest, and should be truthful. So yeah, I think these three things are very important.
Modi ji is an example everywhere probably today. It's like you are talking about him throughout the globe. And in the years to come, probably he will be the only man which we are looking at, where leadership will really matter.
I think it's a beautiful, I wouldn't say initiative. It's a lovely idea and a thought because हर साल कितने साल कोई ना कोई एक ऐसा इंसान ज़रूर आता है who kind of does something path breaking and her story needs to be told so that बहुत सारे लोग जो शायद वो करना चाहते हैं, जो वो दिल में सिर्फ एक विश रखते हैं कि काश मैं ऐसा कर सकता, उनके लिए एक इंस्पिरेशनल स्टोरी बहुत ज़रूरी है टाइम एंड अगेन कि यार अगर वो कर सकते हैं, अगर they rose from nothing to great heights, why not I?
While the winners of the Society Leading Lights Leadership Awards were given to Subhash Ghai, Madhur Bhandarkar, Sonu Sood, Atul Dodia, Pallavi Jayakishan, Ujjwal Nikam, Ashutosh Gowarikar and Gautam Singhania, and many other socialites also received awards for their contribution to the society.